Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today we are continuing with our special series, The Wisdom of Finally Loving Yourself, in cooperation and in collaboration with, inspired by Nikki, The Grace of Finally Loving Yourself. So I'm doing the verbal, the video part where I talk, and she's doing the beautiful videography. So it's like a pairing up for you as a special gift for loving yourself for February. So today we're talking about one of our routines, how to do your laundry. Because you're doing laundry 5 days a week if you're an at-home fly baby. If you're a payroll fly baby, hopefully you're doing your laundry 5 days a week, but some of you may be doing it in collapsed time frames, doing it all in one day or in a couple of days, depending on your situation. So here's how to do the laundry. The first thing is to separate your laundry into like groups, whatever you choose to do. Some people do textures and heaviness. I choose to do the tried and true method of whites, lights or mediums, darks, towels, and sheets. That's my preference. If you have a baby, you may want to do baby clothes separate if you're using Dreft or something like that for their little delicate skin. Okay, so here's what you do. It's really hard. I'm teasing. It's not hard at all. You put your one load of laundry in the washing machine. You put your detergent in. Don't overdo it on the detergent. Some of you may choose to use a softener or a non-chlorine bleach or something like that. I use just Mrs. Meyer's liquid detergent, Mrs. Meyer's. Now I'm using the little scent beads because I love the fragrance I'm using. And I use Mrs. Meyer's softener. I don't have a dispenser in my machine, so I put it in a little downy ball, one of those old blue downy balls. And that's how I wash my clothes. I push the button depending on what's in there and depending on the level of the water. You want to make sure that you're not giving it too much water, but also you're giving it enough. So when I do a small load, I generally put it on medium. If I do a large load, I put it on more because I want it to have more room to move around and wash. That's me. I think it works best that way. Okay, next, once the clothes, now also if you have delicates, like for my bras, those little hooks get caught on everything. So I put them in a special laundry bag, underpants in a special laundry bag. You know, anything lacy that you don't want to get torn up, anything silky that you don't want to have exposed to the general population in the washing machine goes in a laundry bag. You can buy those at the Dollar Tree. They're not expensive, so don't think it's too frou-frou for you. It's not. All right, once you take your laundry out, then you're going to determine if it needs to go in the dryer. Some things don't go in the dryer, and so you'll need to check the tag to see. I do things like this little cotton t-shirt. I just toss it in the dryer for a minute and then take it out and hang it up to dry. There's several things that I do that with, all my dresses, those kinds of things. I think it makes them last longer. I think it actually holds their fragrance better from the laundry detergent and the softener. So that's what I do. But you do what you want to do. But think about it. These are your clothes, and if you don't have too many, you're going to take really good care of the ones that you do have. Okay, so put the clothes in the dryer, set for the right heat for the clothes that you have in there. That's why you want to put like things together, not only for color bleeding, but also for the intensity of washing and drying that's required. Okay, so right now I have towels in. I have it on timed high heat. That's what I do for my towels. Now you might have a towel setting on yours. I have an old-fashioned machine, and so I just do timed high heat for that. Currently I have a load of whites washing in my washing machine. It's a small load. It's on medium. So when those come out, there are several things that are going to be hung up. So I hang all my under things up. I have a little clip thing that I hang them on to dry. I don't put them in the dryer. And then everything else goes in the dryer, and I set that on gentle and let that go, depending on the kind of clothes that are in there. So you have to use your brain a little bit. It's not hard. You just do this. Click. It's not hard. And then listen for it. Listen for your beeper. Listen for the sound of it turning off. And then as soon as it turns off, I like to take them out, hang them up or fold them, and put them away. That means the laundry is complete. So if you wash laundry and you just stick it in a big pile of cold, dry laundry, it's going to be a wrinkled mess. And then when you get ready to fold it, it's going to be a little disappointing, and it's also not so fun to fold mountains of laundry. Mount Fold More is no better than Mount Wash More. And so if someone says, hey, I'm going to do you a favor and wash your laundry, remind them that remind them that doing the laundry includes folding the clothes or hanging them up and putting them away. Because honestly, I would rather wash them myself one load at a time than have somebody go wash all my clothes for me and then I have a big giant pile of mess that it has to be folded and hung up and put away. Plus, things don't look nice because I haven't had a chance to shake them out when I got them out of the dryer, hang them up or hang them over something, or fold them, lay them flat on the bed until I can fold them or whatever. So you're not complete unless you folded your laundry and put it away. So don't try to wash piles of clothes and then have all these clean clothes because you're in worse shape or as bad a shape as you were before, okay? All right, so that's doing the laundry. I hope it was helpful. Now go over and watch our beautiful Nikki do her grace in finally loving yourself, and she's going to show you the actual beauty of doing your laundry. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.